Did you know that you can edit your videos even after uploading them to YouTube? And the best part? You don't have to delete your video and re-upload it. And you're not gonna lose any views, comments, or engagement with the YouTube Studio Editor. It doesn't give us a lot of editing options yet, but we can do simple things. Let's see how. The YouTube Studio Editor is currently accessible only on desktops. To get started, click on your profile and head over to YouTube Studio. Once you are inside your studio, click on Content in the left-hand menu. And you'll find here all of your uploaded videos. Now select the video that you want to edit. Let's say this one. And one more time, here on the left side, you need to select the editor option. And here we are. The YouTube Studio Editor looks like an ordinary video editor, and it gives us here the available editing features, like you can trim and cut sections of your video, add blur effects, or adjust the audio. For this video, I would like to show you the trim and cut editing option. You can trim and cut parts of your video even if it is currently live and you're not going to lose anything from the video except the part that you cut out. Let's say that there is a part that we want to get rid of this video, so you need to choose this option firstly. And after that, you should see this blue box appearing inside the timeline. So there are basically two options that the YouTube Studio gives us if you want to trim and cut your video. This is the first one, that a blue box will select the entire video and you can easily drag from the left side to the inside or from the right handle to the inside of your video. If we do it like this, for example, then only this part within the blue box will remain as the original video and the rest of the entire video will be removed from the original video. If you prefer, you can preview your changes directly by clicking on this play button. Now, as you can see, I cannot select outside of this box because only this part is remained. So the video will start now here and it's going to end here. You can zoom in to the timeline from here to see the changes if you want to have a closer look to the changes. And if you want to undo it, then click on this button. Okay, so you can use the first method to cut out a large part of your video. But there is also a second way. If there is a specific section somewhere in your video that you want to remove, like maybe a long pause or a small mistake, then you can click on this new cut button to split and trim or remove only the section within the red box. If you do it like this, for example, then only this little part within the red box will be removed. If you click on Apply, then this part will be cut, but you can also do multiple cuts at once if you prefer. You need to select another part of your timeline and click on New Cut again. This time, it gives you the option to make a second cut if you wish. If you are not happy, you can easily remove it like this. Then the cut will be removed, or you can click on the Undo button to take your changes back. Once you are done with your changes, click on the Save button to apply, but keep in mind that YouTube takes a while to process the changes, so the edited version of your video may not be visible to viewers instantly. By the way, if you have a small YouTube channel looking for ways to grow and to start making money, then check out my full-time YouTuber podcast where we talk about actionable strategies to grow and make money effectively. You can find the link below and right here in the card.